Welcome back, everyone. My name is Jim. Thank you for joining me again on the RV Concierge channel. Today, we have another listing. 2017 Forest River Sandpiper 378FB. Awesome bath and a half, fifth wheel. Let's go take a look. Let's take a look at the outside of this Sandpiper. This thing is a bath and a half and it is gorgeous. Once we're done with the outside, we'll take a look at the inside. So this is currently on a seasonal site and it's only been moved twice. In this compartment, you have the hydraulics for the 6-point leveling system. Outside entertainment, full pass-through storage. This is gigantic. I'm not gonna open it because there is a bunch of customers' property in there right now. It does have a really nice patio awning right there. Full length of the patio there. There's one slide out on this side, two slide outs on the other side. This has an outside bar with a refrigerator, a sink, some cabinet space, more speakers for the outside entertainment. And this has an actual televator that comes down from the ceiling. Very nice, so you can watch TV outside here. The door for this compartment actually acts as an awning, so if you're out here making drinks or whatever and it might be drizzling, you got cover with that door. This tent will go with the fifth wheel. Coming around to the back here, customer does have a grill on the back, and that is on a swing arm, so it'll go around to the other side. And let's take a look at the business side on the other side. Full fiberglass front cap on this unit. It's a nice feature. Got some LED lights across the front there. Under here you have more storage. This one is your dual propane tanks. And in this one you have your battery and your inverter. That's going to run the residential refrigerator on the inside. This one has a 10-gallon direct spark ignition, gas electric water heater. Your furnace is right here. You have your power cord right there. And inside this compartment, access to the full pass-through that goes to the other side and your dump station. This does have full house filtration and a black tank flush. There is one small piece of damage right here. The door swung open and hit the door stopper. That's an easy fix. All right, everybody, that is the outside of this beautiful fifth wheel. Let's go take a look at the inside. All right, let's take a look at the inside. Dining and kitchen right here. And then it is a rear entertainment. You have the heated, massaging, power recliners, trifold sleeper sofa, and all of that is across from a nice entertainment center here with a fireplace. Plenty of storage above the trifold sleeper and the theater seats. Huge pantry. Convection microwave oven, 3-burner cooktop, and the regular oven. This has the upgraded 20 cubic foot residential refrigerator. Really nice lights, ceiling fan, large dual basin sink here. Storage underneath the island. Sheet vinyl flooring. Let's not forget the half bath here. This is a bath and a half, so you have a midship half bath here. This does have central vac. Nice medicine cabinet there, plenty of storage in there. All right, let's go take a look at the bedroom and the master bath. All right, master bedroom. You have a king size bed there. Some nice blue lighting. Dresser here. Optional bedroom television on a swing out arm. And here is what this FB floor plan is all about. This is a front bathroom. Really nice dual vanity sink there. Huge mirror. Porcelain toilet with the resin lid. Huge wardrobe all the way across the front, and this one does have the optional washer and dryer stacked with a huge shower. Look at that shower. All right, everybody, that is a 2017 Forest River Sandpiper 378 FB. If you'd like to know more, if you have any questions, you can text, call, or email me. Information is right there. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please stay tuned for more, and don't forget to subscribe.